Ever ordered a YouTrip card and wondered how long till it arrives? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTrip delivery times. YouTrip, a popular travel card, offers a convenient way to spend money overseas. But how long does it take to get your hands on this nifty little card? Let's break it down. Factors affecting delivery time. Processing time. Once you've placed your order, YouTrip typically takes a few business days to process your application. This includes verifying your identity and other necessary checks. Shipping method. YouTrip offers different shipping options. Standard shipping is generally slower, while express shipping can significantly speed up the delivery process. Geographical location. Your location can influence delivery times. If you're in a region with efficient postal services, you might receive your card sooner. Estimated delivery times. Standard shipping typically takes 7 to 10 business days within Singapore. For international deliveries, it can vary depending on the destination country. Express shipping offers faster delivery, usually within 3 to 5 business days. Tips to track your order. Check your email. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates from YouTrip. They'll send you notifications about the status of your order. Use the YouTrip app. The YouTrip app often provides real-time updates on your order status. Common questions. Can I track my order online? Yes, you can usually track your order through the YouTrip app or website. What if my card is delayed? If your card is delayed, you can contact YouTrip's customer support for assistance. Can I expedite the delivery process? While YouTrip offers express shipping, it's best to check with their customer support for specific options and availability. The delivery time for your YouTrip card can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and utilizing the tips provided, you can better estimate the arrival time of your card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.